Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, we do a ton of beauty related content, mainly makeup tutorials, which is what you're about to see. Today I just really wanted to play with green. I don't know why. When I have red hair, I stay away from green because I feel like I just look like a walking Christmas tree. Not red anymore, so the green had to come out, and I really like how this came out, and believe it or not, it's actually really simple. So the palette that we're going to be using today is the Natasha Denona Trichrome palette. I haven't used this one yet up until today. I actually purchased this in last year's Black Friday sales from Sephora, and I guess I just had not thought to reach for it, but this is the color that we use today all over the lid, and it's just a beautiful shift. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching.
Alrighty friends, let's get our skincare on. As usual, I'm using the Hyperreal set from MAC Cosmetics. This is the Hyperreal Serumizer, then the balm, and I do use the Hyperreal Serumizer eye as well. For our eye makeup, I'm starting off with the 24-hour Eye Extend eye base. This is my go-to. I use it with every look. Then I'm going in for my brows. I'm using the Maybelline Super Lock Brow Gel. I love this brow gel. The formula is really nice, but the brush sucks. Then for my lips, I'm going in with a Lip Gloss Below. So let's start our eyeshadow. I'm taking this Dazzle shadow called Viperactive from MAC, and I'm just putting that on the lid and using my finger to disperse some of the glitters. Then I'm taking this Chromazone one. It doesn't actually have a name, but it's from Shein, and I do believe they're all still up there. So going into the Natasha Denona palette, I'm taking Scarab. That's the name of this eyeshadow, and it is just this absolute gorgeous reflect. It has almost like a light orange reflect. I want to say almost into a red. It's a very unique shade. So I'm placing it down with my finger first, and then I'll go in with a fluffy brush just to soften the edges and get the shape that I want. To help soften out these edges, I'm taking Ion, which is a matte greeny yellow, like a lime yellow. I'm just using that right on the outer corner of the blend to help soften it so that it's not such a harsh line. Then I'm taking Scrap, and this is going to be the outer corner crease shade. I just want a tiny bit of definition on that outer V area. Because there's already so much dimension with the different tones of the green, there's not a lot needed. Then I'm going in with my Black Track gel eyeliner, just on a dense brush, and putting that along the upper lash line in the outer V area, but only in that outer V area. I'm not taking it all the way into the inner corner. I am taking it up a little bit into the crease, just in the outer V, just to get that definition there. And then I'm going back in with my finger and a bit of that first green eyeshadow just to make sure that we don't lose any definition. Then I'm taking a wipe to clean up, and back with the same Shein Chromazone collection, there was an eyeliner, so I've just run that along my lash line, and whatever was left on that blending brush, I'm taking that under the eyes to blend in with the eyeliner, some mascara and some lashes. So now we can move on to the skin. I'm starting my skin with Fix Plus Radiance. I like to put this down after my skincare's had a chance to sit. It just makes my skin feel nicer. And I'm taking this MCO Beauty contour stick. I don't think it has a shade name, but I'm using it on the perimeter of my face, on my jawline, my cheeks, my hairline, and a bit of my nose, just to give myself a bit of a face back. And then I'm just using a dense fluffy brush. Well, it's not really a fluffy brush, it's a dense contour brush from Real Techniques. It's one of their new ones, and I'm just using that to pat that into the skin. We're under painting, so I'm not going too crazy with the blending. I just want it to be softer. Then I'm taking the So Natural Glow Play blush, which is a cream blush from MAC, and just pushing that into the apples of my cheeks. And then we're going to go into Investment, which is one of the new formulas that came out with this year's Christmas collection from MAC. It has the green duotone, greeny yellow duotone. so I wanted to bring that into this look. So I've just gone in with the spritz of radiance, and then I use my mirror to dry that, and then I go in with my foundation combination. So it's Studio Fix and Strobe Dewy Skin Tint, and I just mix them on the back of my hand with my brush and then tap them in to my skin to get that coverage that I like, and just blend everything all together. So then I'm going in with a bit of cream bronzer. This is the NARS cream bronzer in Casino, and I'm just taking that really on top of where we put the contour, a little bit higher, so that it's more of like a bronzer placement for my face shape. Then going back in with the So Natural blush just to really push that into the skin, and the investment one more time just to really make sure that that shine is there and that tone is there, so the whole face and eyes are cohesive. Then I'm taking my concealer, it's just Studio Radiance concealer, and just blending that under my eyes. I wanted to make sure that there were no green or blue or red tones coming through, especially using a green eyeshadow. And now all the creams are in place, we set that with MAC Stay Over. Now I'm going in for my powder layer. I'm using the matte Light Rosy. Looking back, I probably could have even done the Radiant Light Rosy, but either way, it still turned out really nice. So I'm popping that just on the outer perimeters. And then for blush, I'm taking Harmony. This was a new blush. Well, it's new for me. I haven't had a chance to use it. And it looked like it had like the hard stuff over the top of it. So I had to scratch it to get it to work. I was quite annoyed at that. And then this highlighter from, I think this is a couple years ago. It was a Chinese New Year, I think, 2023 maybe. And then face powder. So for lips, I just kept it simple. We went in with Stone, and then I went in with the Stone lipstick, and then over the top of that, I just used a little bit of Hodge Podge. So pretty simple lip. Over the top of that, I did put a bit of gloss. This is Frozen.
Alrighty guys, that is it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments section below. If you have any requests for any kind of color combinations or any palettes that I might have, let me know so that I have a bit more of an idea of what you guys want to see. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.